set, go.
Hello there. This is my dad, who's your teacher.
That's right, yes.
And this is Ella again.
Yep.
And we're going to do
We're going to do lesson 12.
We're going to do lesson 12.
All right. So in lesson 12 here, we are multiplying with rational numbers. Now, what they bring out here is they bring out the decimals and the fractions. Because, Ella, did you know that's what a rational number is?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, so far ahead. All right. Here's the thing, though, people. I'm going to be honest here with you. Nobody multiplies with decimals. We don't do it. All right. We're going to be reaching for a calculator here. So we're going to bump that out. No. Because even moving forward, you really don't see the decimals anymore. What we do end up seeing is the fractions. So that's where we want to spend our time at. So, yeah, you want to try right? Okay, so big thing here is we have to make sure we remind ourselves we got to get the sign straight. So I'm a big fan of getting the sign down right away. Look at that. Wonderful. In the first problem, I see a 7/10. I see a negative 4/21. The first number is positive. The second number is negative. So different signs, people, which means our answer is going to be negative. Ella, put a negative sign up on the screen. Oh, you make like a dash. Yeah. Right there. Put it right there. You got it? Go ahead. Nice. All right. So the next thing we're looking for is cross division here. So we're looking on those diagonals that are there. All right. Upper left, upper right. Let me borrow that for a second. It's going to be tough to describe what you need to do. So let me borrow it here, and then I'll give it back to you, okay? All right, thank you. So I'm looking at the 7. I'm looking at the 21. We can divide them both by 7. 7, what?
Quiet down. That's too loud.
Okay. 7 divided by 7 is a 1, so we cross it out. 21 divided by a 7 is a 3. You think so? Okay, all right. Well, no, we got to keep it in front of us here. Now, check out the 4 and the 10. Did you know 4 and 10, we can divide them both by 2?
Of course, because 4 is the 2.
Yeah, 4 is the 2, yeah.
Yep, and 2 plus 2 is 4.
2 plus 2 is 4.
4 plus 4 is probably 2.
It's probably 8.
And 4 plus 4 is 8.
There it is. Now, if I divide them both by 4, 4 divided by 4 is a 2.
Okay.
And divided by 2 is a 5. So now, Ella, we're ready to multiply across. So we've got, hold on a second. Hold on. I did promise I'm going to set you up here. So come on, grab a seat. You've got your negative sign, and then we've got our fraction bar. Ella, we're going to multiply across. So 1 times 2 is 2. Put a 2 up above that line. Right above it. Make it 2. Yeah, go ahead. You can do it. Above the line. There it is, right there. Perfect. Oh. Uh-oh. That's a 5. Let's get the eraser going here. Okay. How about that? Can you get a 2 now?
Daddy!
Well, don't daddy me. Hold on a second here. I can't be telling to put down a 2 and then you writing a 5. Those poor kids at home are going to be confused as to what's going on. So, there's our 2. Let's try down below. 5 times 3, 15. Can you put a 15 down? That's a 1. Put down a 1 first. So underneath the line, put a 1. And then put a 5 next to it. Oh, go ahead. Put a 5 next to it. Yeah, you got it. There we go. Yep. Yeah, we'll take it from you there. Looks like a lot of your kids' handwriting at times when I grade your tests and quizzes. But yes, negative 2 15ths is where we're after.
I'm 5 and a half, Daddy. I'm not sure at 5 right now.
Okay, all right, but you're working on it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me borrow the pen here again. We got to go on. We're going to skip here, and we're going to go to problem number. Well, there's no problem numbers here. We're going down to where that fraction is at, that 4 and the 1/8. Hold on a second. I'm going to pause things here. All right, I got the pen back. Okay, so improper fractions is what we need first. Ella, do you know what an improper fraction is?
No.
Okay, it's where the number is bigger on top in the numerator and smaller in the denominator that's there. So if I look at that 4 1/8, 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 1 is the 33. So I'm going to put my 33 down, and we keep the denominator the same. So Ella, with all that being said, put a 33 down.
A 3 and a 1.
No, 33. A 3 and a 3. Go ahead. Yeah.
Then
Right. That's backwards. One more try. Yeah. There you go. 3. Put another 3 right next to it. Yep, you can do that. It's fine. Oh, try again. Oh, the drama here, whether it's going to happen or not. All right. So now what we do is we keep our fraction bar and we keep our 8 that's down there. Now, for the second one, I don't care that it's negative. I know my answer is going to be negative because I got a positive and I've got a negative. Different signs that's there. But we treat it like it's the 1 2/3. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is a 5. So I've got another fraction where I've got a 5 up there, and down below I've got a 3. All right, Ella, we're back to doing cross division again. All right? So here's what I need you to do. I'm looking at that 8 and I'm looking at that 5, but there's nothing I can do with it. I can't divide them by anything, but I am that. Well, an 8 and a 5 do make an 85. Yeah, but we can't divide by it. Look at the 33 and the 3. We can divide them both by 3. Ella, cross out that 33. Put a line right through it. Exactly.
Like both of them?
Just use one line through both of them. Yes. Go ahead. People are waiting. Yes, there we go. So since we're dividing by a 3, 33 divided by 3 is 11. So Ella, put an 11 on your screen there.
11. How do you know?
That's a 1 and another 1 right next to each other. A 1. Go ahead. There you go. Oh, that's backwards. That's backwards there. Yeah. But you should put the point the other way. That's there. Okay. And really, you just need to draw. Okay, go ahead. Try it again. 1. Try it one more time. You pressed a little bit too hard on it. One more time. A 1. There you go. Yep. Oh, look at that. And another 1 right next to it. Sure. We can put it there. All right. And since we're dividing by a 3, Ella, cross out that 3. Line right through it. And 3 divided by 3 is a 1. So Ella, put a 1 right there now. So now we can multiply across. 11 times 5 is 55. All right, so Ella, go ahead. Let's get it down there. Put down 55.
5 and a 1.
No, that's 51. 55. A 5 and a 55. Yes. Put that.
5.
Yes, a 5 and a 5. Exactly. So put those down next to each other. There we go. Oh, there we go. Try it again. Try it again there. One more try. Yeah, you got to press a little bit further. That's there. Let me try it here for you there. So it's a 55, and on the bottom we're going to multiply across. So 8 times 1 is a 8. So put an 8 on the bottom, please. Right there, yes. You're not pressing hard enough.
Oh, I'm not pressing hard.
Yep. All right. But got to keep in mind, though, is our answer was negative. So we need our negative sign to be out there. There we go. Negative 55/8. You didn't know I could write with my finger on there, could you? Yes, there we go. All right, everyone. That's all that we need to keep in mind here is...
Mr. Wardy, you better not send us anymore. Okay?
Just remember, people, if you don't want to get her angry, so make sure you do your math work, right?
Don't get in.